Welcome to another video brought to you by Ideal Homes Rentals, where we show you properties across the southern Portugal that you can rent for your summer or your winter holiday. Today I'm in Armancil, which is in the central Algarve. I'm going to be showing you a beautiful 4-bedroom end villa that is actually on a condominium that's only got 4 others. So it's very peaceful and very quiet, lovely pool area, lovely gardens, yet the location is second to none. You can literally walk out of here into the nearest restaurant, which is a great restaurant, and loads of other restaurants. But yet the beaches are literally 5 minutes drive away of Quinta do Lago, Val de Lobo, you've got Vila Moura, you go to the marina at Vila Moura. And the other thing is when you step off the plane at Faro Airport, you're only 15 minutes away. So location, location, location. This could be your holiday 2023. Let me take you through this villa and show you exactly how good it is. Well, welcome. Come through the front door, you've got your carport, so you park your car there, out of the sun, or out of the rain when it occasionally rains, and you walk into this magnificent villa. It's the end corner, and you've got bright light everywhere. It is very, very spacious. I mean, the furnishings are stunning. I mean, it's a show house. It basically is a show house. And if you want to rent this show house, Ideal Homes Portugal. It's got ample room everywhere. You've got beautiful views of the pool and the gardens. Large dining table, 3, 6, 7, 8 people there. Lovely. I mean, they're just little features, the staircase going up. It's great. And then if you like cooking, when you're on holiday, you're going to love this kitchen. It is superb. But where we are in this location, we are literally a 2-minute walk to a really great restaurant, La Figueroa, and you're right in the centre of Armancil, but you've got the beaches are 10 minutes away. I love this property. I mean, look at this kitchen, Corian worktops. How often do you find a villa like this you can rent? Well, you can rent this one, Ideal Homes Rentals. So this is your lovely kitchen. This is your utility room, washing machine and things like that. And then we've come full circle, round back into the hallway again. House bathroom there, and then a downstairs bedroom. So if you have got someone maybe with mobility problems, this will be perfect because this is all on one level down here. You walk into here, look at this. I mean, again, the furnishings. Plenty of wardrobe space, a beautiful ensuite with actually a bath and shower over. So this is your ground floor. We're going to go upstairs to 3 more bedrooms, which are all en suite, and they also have, some have walk-in wardrobes. This is a stunning villa, absolutely stunning. Location is second to none, and you can book this for your summer 2023 holiday, or maybe quickly get it in for the winter of 2022. So summer or winter, this is available to rent with Ideal Homes Rentals. Join me upstairs and I'll show you a little bit more. Just love that. In fact, I do love this villa. There's so much detail. Even things like the glass blocks put in the walls there. Whoever thought of that was clever. Got a really good outside balcony there. So that's more or less east facing, so morning sun. You've Got one bedroom there. Let's show you this bedroom first. All the bedrooms are a good size. This has got 2 single beds in, whacking headboard, but if you want to split the beds up, it gives you that for the rental for the children, or if you want to put it back together for a couple. This is a lovely size room. It's got views of the pool and the countryside. So it's immaculate, absolutely immaculate. And look at this, you've got a walk-in wardrobe, you've got a lovely ensuite with a massive walk-in shower there. This is one bedroom upstairs. Let me show you what I think, well, this is what I call the master bedroom. Master bedroom, again, really great size. Glass blocks. See, you can see how much light that brings in. I mean, look, wallpaper. It's beautiful. And what a size. This one looks over the pool as well. Air conditioning all the way through this property. You've also got underfloor heating. I know when we go on holiday we bring clothes with us, but you've got so much wardrobe space here, you can bring all your clothes here. Massive wardrobe space. And then, again, how many en-suites do you see this size? I mean, it's massive, absolutely beautiful property. And one more bedroom, again en-suite to that one as well. And they're all colour themed, so each room's different. And then we go back out into the hallway. Love that, love it. And then another size bedroom. A full bank of wardrobes on this side. Views over the countryside. This is north facing, this bit, but you've got countryside views there. And an ensuite, again a walk-in shower. It's got everything, this house. I love it. Even the pictures, everything on the wall, the pictures are great. This is the blue bathroom. Toilet, glass blocks, plenty of light, plenty of space. So, great property. If you want to rent it, you can rent it with Ideal Homes, rentals.com. Let me just go back and tell you a few things about this property. It's in Armandshill. Armandshill is in the central Algarve. It's very close to lots of golf courses, Quinta del Lago, Val de Lobo, Villamora. You've got Lule, the lovely historic market town. That's about a 10-minute drive away. You've got only 5 properties here, so it's quiet, it's peaceful, yet you can walk out of this property and go to restaurants. You're literally right next door to everything. It is a great location. You're only 20 minutes from, well, 15 minutes, but say 20 minutes from Faro International Airport. Everything about this property will make your holiday worth it. And book, if you want to book it for next year, please check the prices out on our website. I'd like to be able to say to you, for this week it's going to cost you this much, but we all have different times. Go on to idealhomesrentals.com, check this property out on the website, put your dates in, and it will give you the exact figures. If maybe you're watching this in 2 years' time, still do the same because the prices will vary. Also, the other thing I like to point out is Ideal Homes will do short-term rentals for summer, and they'll also do long-term rentals. But again, sometimes you might have to check the office for the long-term rentals. I'm here to help you. I hope we've got over how good this property is, because if you come here for your summer holiday or winter holiday, I promise you, I know I will be right in saying this, you will be blown away when you walk into this property. You will have a fabulous week, 2 weeks or 3 weeks. You'll absolutely love it here. So, stay tuned, keep watching, and don't forget, please press subscribe and the like button. I'm here to help. Ideal Homes is here to help. See you very soon. Hi and welcome. You've joined me on this roof terrace of another apartment to show you in Villa Sol. Villa Sol is a very small urbanisation of apartments and villas. It's on the Pistana golf course of Villa Sol. This particular property is a 3-bedroom. It has its own roof terrace, which is private. You've also got facilities for a barbecue up here and also a sink, so you can wash up and you can entertain up here. Villa Sol, as I said, is very close to Villa Mora. It's very close to Cortera. It's only 20 minutes from the airport, Faro International Airport. And the other thing I'd like to point out is Ideal Homes Rentals are bringing out now location videos. Now they're informative and they will advise you on certain areas in the Algarve where maybe you want to relocate and live here. But if you're coming on holiday, watch them on the YouTube channel. They're very informative. They tell you all about the areas and also everything about where things are. So keep a lookout for those. Also keep a lookout for all our rental videos because we're here to help you. We want to find you a property, whether it's for this winter or the summer of next year, to make a perfect holiday. So I want to take you around this particular villa. As I say, it's a 3-bedroom. It's on this very small development on Villa Sol, but look at this, the pool area. What a beautiful pool. Lovely pool, very peaceful and very quiet. Welcome inside this lovely apartment. I will point out there's one small flight of stairs. You come up outside there on a set of stairs that brings you into the apartment. So one flight of stairs to come up, but then you've got a roof terrace above here as well. I'll take you into the kitchen in a moment, but let me take you into the lounge. I mean, the lounge area is bigger than majority of apartments you go to. This is a really, really big lounge. I mean, you can see for yourself, you've got a 3 to 4 seater sofa there, 2 chairs here, a chaise longue over there, so it's got plenty of space. Patio doors take you out to a little area with a dining room table and 4 chairs, so you can eat there. You've got another balcony over this side, and don't forget you've got the roof terrace as well, and that has stairs on the outside to go up to. Look at the size of the dining room, 3, 6, 7, 8. So it is a 3-bedroom property. Really, really nice property in a great location, and it gives you space. Let me take you into the kitchen. I mean, I often find people that rent properties these days don't do much cooking at home. But if you want to cook in here, voila, you've got a beautiful kitchen. It's got everything you want, the oven, the microwave, the hob, fridge freezer, barbecue upstairs, so you can take your food upstairs and cook outside, or you can cook inside, or you can wander down the road here, 2 minutes, and you're in Oscar's, you're in the wine bar there, so you've got plenty of restaurants and plenty of things to do. I want to take you to the other side of this property and show you the bedrooms. And one of the other things I will say about location is this is very, very close to the water park, Aqua Show. So if you've got the children, it's an amazing place. You have to go to see Aqua Show. So let's go further afield and take you to the bedrooms. Follow me. Take you to the bedrooms. As I say, they're on the other side of this particular apartment. One house bathroom there that will serve 2 of the bedrooms, and that's got a beautiful shower in there. This first bedroom, they're both about the same size, the two bedrooms. Fitted wardrobes, ducted air conditioning, nice, bright and sunny, looking over the gardens, and there's parking over there as well, so you've got car parking. And this particular condominium does have electronic gates, so secure parking. You've got 24-hour security here as well, but Portugal is a very safe country, so really good country to come to. This bedroom, as I said, is about the same size as that bedroom. Single beds in here. The idea of having single beds in these bedrooms, I've said it before in these videos, is you can actually take them apart and make them as single beds, or you can put them together as a double bed. So like Juliet balcony out there, it's even bigger than the Juliet balcony. And let me take you now to the master bedroom. The master bedroom has got its own ensuite. And it's a big ensuite as well, with a full bath and shower above it. So bidet and toilet, sink, 2 sinks, twin sinks, and a big mirror.
Do you know what, cameramen hate big mirrors? So, and another mirror here, because they don't like looking at themselves. Fitted wardrobes on this side, fitted wardrobes as you walk into this bedroom. This has got a double bed in here. It's probably a king size bed. And lovely views over the garden. So really, really nice apartment. This could be yours to rent for the winter or the summer with the Ideal Homes Rentals. Really great location, really great property. Very close, as I said, to so many amenities. You've got 2 cafes down there. You've got Oscars, you've got Aqua Show just up the road. You've got golf, you've got the sea, you've got the sunshine. What else have you got? You haven't got me, so that's probably a bonus. Anyway, I'm just going to finish off outside and show you the pool area. So let's go outside and I'll join you out there. Look at this outside, absolutely beautiful. Lovely gardens, manicured, a beautiful pool, and plenty of spaces to laze in the sun. Whether it's your holiday this winter or maybe your holiday next winter. This apartment, check it out on our website, Ideal Homes Rentals. We're here to help you, and throughout the series I'm going to be here showing you all different apartments, villas, quintas, old farmhouses, all across the Algarve to help you choose your holiday, to choose Ideal Homes Rentals. I'm here to help. You can always contact me, John at Ideal Homes Rentals, or contact info at Ideal Home Rentals. Send them an email. The website is being updated with the latest prices for next year, so be patient on that, but please just drop us an email and we'll answer anything. Press subscribe, press like, and leave any comments below. Hope I've been of help to you. I'm going to show you some more properties next week, so stay tuned, keep tuned, and come and visit the Algarve. You've got all this, 300 days of the year sunshine. See you all soon. Thanks for watching.